welcome to this new video here on YouTube. Today I am reviewing the Kuretake Wasabi Tambi Art Nouveau set, and I swatched every single color so we can really see how they behave. I will walk through each shade and I'm going to show you how I will use it in my whimsical landscapes and which ones really stand out to me. This is a set that I want to buy long time ago, but how I have so many watercolors, I control myself to don't buy more watercolors until I feel that I really need it. I don't need it, but I get it because it's my work, it's my obsession. I want to share this with you. For the materials that I'm using my own brush set that I created in collaboration with Craftamo last year. It's available now and I absolutely love how versatile it is. On the paper, I'm using the Canson XL. I'm going to leave in the description everything for you. Here, I want to spray water first in all the colors, so we activate the watercolors. Here we have the saffron yellow color. This is a warm, rich yellow. Very sunlight and golden. I love this for glowing skies, sunlight details, and mixing warm greens. It feels vibrant, but it's still natural. The green gold, one of my favorites already. This is a yellow leading green that is perfect for illuminated fields, foliage with light hiding, and smooth transitions in landscapes. Then we have the flax beige. This is a soft lining beige. It's beautiful as base for the houses, sand, soft backgrounds, or for muting bright colors. The next color, I don't know how to pronounce this, ecru beige. This slightly creamier and lighter than flax beige. I will use this for cozy walls, light details, and soft highlights. The next color that we have is the pale pink. It's a delicate, soft pink. I love how creamy it is. This pink is beautiful for florals. We can use it a little bit in the skies, blush tones, and mixing with with another pastel colors. I really love how creamy is this pink. The next color that we have is the coral pink. This color is brighter and more cheerful. This is great for flowers, playful details, and whimsical rooftops. These watercolors in general are very creamy. I'm impressed with the quality of these watercolors. The next color that we have, this is a color that I use a lot from Winsor & Newton. This is the Potter's Pink. This one feels earthy and vintage. I love it for ceramic tones, mute buildings, and storybook style palettes. I really, really love Potter Pinks. It's so different than the one that I used from Winsor & Newton, but this one is beautiful. Looks like a little bit coral color too. This is our red in this palette. This is the Vermilion. A strong orange red, very bold, perfect for accents, flowers, and high contrast focal points. The next color that we have here is the Alizarin Crimson. This is deep and slightly cooler red. I use this for shadows in flowers, berries, and mixing rich purples. Then we have the Mauve Taupe. This is a mute purple with a gray undertone. This is beautiful for soft shadows, distant mountains, and vintage palettes. The next color that we have here is the Old Mauve. This one is like a deeper and moodier purple. I love this for evening skies, shadows in buildings, and layered deep. Next color is the grayish blue. I don't know how to pronounce this well. Grayish blue. This is a muted, slightly stormy blue, like perfect for atmospheric skies and soft contrast. This is a really creamy color. I'm obsessed with these watercolors, and the price of this, oh my gosh. So next color that we have here is the Cobalt Turquoise Light. Is fresh and luminous. I love this for bright skies, water, and mixing vibrant greens. A beautiful contrast in these blues that we have in this palette. The next color that we have here is the Pale Aqua. This Pale Aqua, I just see this color and have tons of ideas with him. It's a very soft watery blue, perfect for gentle washes and dreamy backgrounds. Like I tell you, I am impressed in the price of this watercolor palette because these watercolors are very high quality. I'm so happy that I buy this set, and maybe I'm going to buy more from this brand because it's impressive how is the quality and the creamy and the textures that you can have with these watercolors are amazing. I just swatching these and I already have tons of ideas that I want to paint with these watercolors. I highly recommend these watercolors, and we doesn't swatch yet all the colors. So the next color that we have here is the Cobalt Green. Is a balanced mid-tone green, very versatile for foliage and landscape layering. Something about this palette is they have tons of greens. I am obsessed with the quantity of greens that comes in this palette. The next green that we have is the Billiard Green. I don't know if that is well pronounced, sorry. This is a darker and more saturated green, great for bold shadows in greenery. Then we have the Shadow Green. This is one of my favorite greens with all the watercolors. Let's see how is this one. It's like a deep and dramatic. This is perfect for contrast and creating dimension. Beautiful color again, is very creamy. I love it. The next color that we have here is the Pea Green. This color is bright and playful. I use this for spring feels and cheerful accents. This was my favorite color for a long time ago when I was 16 years old. I wear that for 4 years. I have all my clothes like with lemon yellow. This pea green is just beautiful. We have the Ivy Green. This one is like richer and more natural. I feel that is beautiful for deeper foliage and forest tones. I'm obsessed with these greens. Are amazing. I'm really happy with this color, with these watercolors. The next color that we have here is the Green Gray. This one is a muted, sophisticated green. It's perfect for subtle shadows and tonight down brighter greens. This is great to make contrast in the mountains. This is like a more natural color. I think this is my favorite of the greens, you know? This is the favorite green of all the greens in this palette. The next color that we have here is the beige gray. This is such useful neutral. It's perfect for soft shadows, toning down color, stone textures, or grounding a composition. We have amazing colors in this palette. Next one is this yellow brown. It's a warm ochre tone, great for wood, centers of flowers, atom details, and warming up yellows. The next color that we have is the Mars yellow. This Mars yellow is stronger and more intense than a traditional ochre. Beautiful for fields, paths, and mixing natural greens. We can use it too for the sun with that saffron yellow at the beginning. I already have a lot of ideas for this Mars yellow. The next one is the Venetian red. This is very opaque color. Love how you can you can build with this color. This is a brick line earthy red, perfect for rooftop, terracotta walls, and warm rustic elements. And these are the swatches of this Kuretake Art Nouveau palette. I highly recommend this palette. You know that I never going to recommend something to you because the brand paid to me or something like that, because where my income comes is from teaching classes, not from brands or something like that. When I have a collaboration with a brand, I let you know. I don't have nothing with Kuretake. I wish to have, because I just noticed that the quality of this painting is amazing, and the price, oh my gosh. I'm going to buy more sets from this brand, and I'm going to do the swatches for you. I'm completely in love. I already have tons of ideas in my mind to do with these watercolors. So to finish this video, I'm going to create a really fun landscape collage using these colors so you can see how beautiful they work together in a full composition. If you would like to watch the complete step-by-step process and paint along with me, you can find me on my Patreon. I will leave the link in the description below. I will truly love to have you there creating with me. Thank you so much for being here. Bye!